We're live. GM guys, how's it going? Hey Sparsh, hey Ducky.
Hey guys, GM.
Hey everyone. Good morning from
Episode 6.
any part of the world you are. If it's good
Yes.
morning, if it's good night, grab a coffee, grab a beer, and tune in for Vibe Coding Show 6.
Grab a beer for sure, 100%. Yeah. Have a sip from my
Regardless,
side as well, regardless.
yeah, regardless, grab a beer.
Yeah.
That's a fair point.
Uh,
Either your night is going to be good or your early morning is going to be good.
it's anyways World Cup season, so like I think it's all good. Yeah.
That's true. That's
Yeah.
true. It's World Cup season.
Get yourself a
Um,
Guinness, and if you don't drink, then of course like have some coffee or some water. Uh,
or beer with zero alcohol, or that's not a thing. We're not going to ruin what works,
I don't
right?
think so. No, no, no. We're not gonna do that.
Like cut that, guys, don't do that.
Uh,
I'm just dropping a post here for guys to tune in case someone didn't find the link yet. So I'm extremely
let's
sloppy.
go. Let's go. So episode 6 is gonna be quite interesting. In this episode, I think we're gonna have a look at how Noah performs against some of your generic Web2 AI tools. Not generic, I mean one of the most used tools, I would say, Claude Code and Codex. So I'll be using Codex, and then Sparsh, you're gonna use Cursor or Claude Code today.
I think I'll use Claude Code. So
Okay.
yeah,
Okay. Okay. And then we got Daki using Noah, of course. The easiest one. We were fighting. Daki and I were fighting before this. Hey, let me use Noah. I don't want to use Codex, please, because we're both non-technicals, and so bear in mind,
100%.
guys. Don't like roast me, please, because I don't use Codex much, to be honest. So
I'm also using
bear in
Claude
mind.
Code for the first time though. Let's see how it works.
Oh, really? Well,
Yeah,
what do you
I've tried
usually
Claude.
use?
I
Yeah.
use Cursor mostly whenever I have to like use any editor,
Hmm.
but I use like different models on that, like depending on what I'm building at that point.
Makes sense. Okay, so you use Cursor more than Claude Code or Codex.
Claude Code, yeah.
Any reason why is like just your personal preference and you just like stuck by Cursor because you started with Cursor?
Yeah, I think that's an important thing as well because I started using Cursor before Claude Code,
Hmm.
and it's very difficult to switch once you're using something, right? Like for
Okay.
example, I know Claude is better, but I still keep using ChatGPT. So I think it's the same thing.
Yeah.
But obviously, I can like use Claude inside Cursor. Obviously, it gets super expensive, but
Yeah.
yeah, I think yeah, but like you still get access to Claude and Cursor.
Cursor has its own models as well, right?
Yeah. So I think it's a fork of Kimi, and
Okay.
I think now they've launched their own model. But yeah, like
Hmm.
that was a fork of Kimi, so I think that was pretty good as well. Like if you're a developer, then you can actually understand everything and what exactly it is doing, and it gets the job done. So
Hmm.
you actually still get a lot of things done in the $60 per month plan, or like yeah, I think that should work for I would say developers, but yeah, it might be pretty difficult to use or confusing for non-devs though.
Oh yeah, yeah, 100%. Especially with non-technicals who don't know what to like, and especially if they're building like crypto applications. When it comes to crypto
Mm.
applications, it's like a whole different ball game altogether. But yeah, that's crazy. How much are you, if you don't mind sharing, like how much are you paying for Cursor though? $60, right?
$60 now, but yeah, I think yeah, I spent like almost $600 in 2 weeks when I tried to build something. I was using
God
Claude for
damn.
over 4.7 or something, but that was pretty expensive. But yeah, like even as a developer, I prefer using like if you want to build on EVM, right? So I think like as a developer, I would use that to deploy smart contracts. Same as with
Mhm.
Solana. So if I want to build something, I just build the first version on Noah and then I move it to Cursor later on if we have to deploy it on server or change a few things.
Okay. All right. So your main go-to tool for blockchain applications is Noah. So I
No,
see Daki out here promoting the live where is our good. He's promoting our live. He's telling everyone to tune in, join in. But yeah, I
that's a
think this
cool feature. Yeah.
I love this feature, man. Like when it just opened up, I tested it as well. Somehow it drives a lot of engagement and like a lot of views towards your post as well. So I think Xalgo favors more of like video content and
Yeah.
like reaction posts. So we've been doing it and testing it a lot lately as well. But I think when it launched, it was kind of like banned in Serbia, where the Daki's from. But I think now they've
Yeah.
opened it up for everyone.
I thought no one
Yeah.
is going to use it for a while, but I think if you look at it, right, a lot of people don't know what to talk about, right? For example, like as founders, you can actually just do this video retweet or like post, and you can talk exactly about what you're working on and what that tweet exactly means and what are the other benefits. Because a lot of people actually skip and don't read a lot of content from the tweet. So I think
Yep,
yeah, that's
yep,
very
yep,
good.
yep, yep. And I think we're also very used to like just scrolling through on Instagram as well. So like video content, we're very used to. But I mean, of course, X has a whole different user base altogether. I would say like a little bit more smarter than your average Instagram user,
For
to
sure.
be honest. But
Guys,
yeah,
I'm I'm so sorry
what's
for
up,
cutting you
Ducky?
off. We're actually about to break 100 views. I'm not sure how, but our stream is popping off right now. We have few comments here, so I just want to welcome everyone in. Uh, Casey, the crypto ninja, big supporter of Noah AI. Thank you so much for joining in. Hey Raj, welcome in. Hey Sia, Noah AI is the best, obviously. We did say whoever the first 10 people who
Obviously.
jumps in and say the first 10 people who jumps in and say no AI is the best will receive 5 million credits. So just to clarify this. So welcoming Rehan, welcoming Crypto King Kinaura. We're making sure we're writing it down, so we're going definitely going to DM you after the stream and then share everything with you. What's up 3 ACJ? What's up Rehan? What's up Fatima? Noah is the best. Noah is the best, obviously. What's up, Crispin? GM on your side of the world. As we said, regardless of where you are, grab a beer, grab a coffee, enjoy because this is going to be one of the best vibe coding shows so far. And one thing that I have to mention again, sorry guys for cutting you off, but one thing that I have to mention is um, our streams are growing rapidly, and I assume that people are aware that we have every Thursday at the same time our streams. So from now on, we're just going to grow, and grow more.
Yep. It's unfair, man. We can't really see the comments. Only Ducky can see it. Spashan,
Yeah.
I also want to engage. Kind of jealous, Ducky. He just
Actually,
kept it
guys,
for himself.
no, you can say it. You can just go to NoahAI and then click on the broadcast link below on the post itself. But click on the broadcast link down, and then you will see the
Ah,
whole chat on the right side. Um, Hey
okay,
KC,
I
Noah
see
is the
it now.
best. That was given though. 100%. We're all good. Yep. Thank you guys for tuning in. Yep, we just broke 100 views. This usually took an hour for us. But we're a couple minutes only, and then we're already broke 100 views. So this is going to be a
Let's
massive stream.
go. Let's go, baby.
Let's jump into it. For everyone who just tuned in, I just want to give a little verdict. We're testing out today which vibe coding tool is the best vibe coding tool for building Solana applications. So myself, I'll be using Noah AI as our native vibe coding tool, Solana's native vibe coding tool. Sayush here, he will be using GPT Codex, and then Sparsh will be using obviously Claude, as it's quite popular and a lot of people are using it. But how easy it is to use ChatGPT Codex and Claude for building Solana programs. I I have tested this myself. We did a benchmark and we made a post about it. It's not so easy for a non-technical person, but we don't want to spoil this out. We want to actually show to you like, hey, why should you build on Noah AI and not on Claude? Um, Solana programs. This is super important. Okay. Guys, should we jump straight into this?
Let's go. Let's go.
Yep.
Okay, we all have our prompts ready. So I'm gonna
Yep.
share my screen first. That's fine with you guys?
Yeah, that's
Mm.
all good. I think we should like tell the users what we're building at first, right?
100%. Let me just grab
I mean, users. I mean,
my
viewers.
prompt here. Users. They're all future
Yeah.
users though. So
Yeah, future users. Yeah.
or current. We have some current users right now. But again, thank you guys so much for the support. In case you don't know, every Thursday we're jumping in 3 p.m. UTC, same time, and having something different. Last week we had a vibe coding show off, where on live, three of our community members were building on Noah, and the best win got $100. And you can see this announcement, and if you just go back on our profile a little bit. Okay, I got my prompt right here.
So
We'll do, we'll,
what are we building, Ducky?
okay, so we're building a prediction market app with Solana program.
Mm-hmm.
Anyone can bet any amount of SOL they want, and in return, the rate changes accordingly, and only the admin address can declare bet results for all bets, right? We're using exactly what you said. All three of us are using exactly the same, right? So you
Yes, correct. Just make sure you add your address, your crypto address.
100%.
Yep. So
So,
all three of us will be using the same prompt. Sorry to interrupt, but yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
yeah, for exactly for the testing purposes, we're all going to use the same prompt, just because it's going to be this is going to be the most fair option. It's not going to be I'm going to build my own prompt. So you're just going to build his prompt, and Sparsh is going to build his prompt. No,
Correct.
we're all going to have a same prompt. So for me, it's pretty simple. I'm not sure about you guys, but I pasted everything I had. I pasted my wallet. I pasted the prompt. Just one more time, build a prediction market app with Solana program. It's not too complicated. It shouldn't be too complicated. Let's see how it will end up, right? Should I
Yep.
press enter?
And let's do one
Wait,
more
wait,
thing.
wait.
I think let's
Yep.
let's paste the prompt and let's
At the
start the
same time.
process at the same time, so we can
Yeah,
also
yeah,
check
yeah,
how much time
Oh,
it takes.
that's smart.
yeah.
That's smart.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay, Sayuj, I'm putting your screen on the stage right now.
yeah. Okay. Yep. Let's go. This codex, same prompt as you guys can see. Build a prediction market app with Solana program. Anyone can create prediction, and anyone can bet yes or no. Let's only keep two options. Anyone can bet any amount in SOL, and the return rate changes accordingly. And the only admin address is this is mine. Can declare bet results for all bets. The rate should change based on bet amount on each side, and should start with 1x on each side. Should I add DevNet? I think I should add DevNet. Build a production
Okay,
market.
I'm
Solana
gonna
program.
do that. I'm gonna do the same thing, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I think
Solana
we have
program.
Sparsh with us. I think he can guide us.
That's
Yeah.
true. For you guys, if in case you don't know, Sayuj is our COO and Sparsh is our CEO. But Sparsh is a crack dev himself. He's the one behind NoahAI tool like itself on a code base. So he's going to be guiding us in case we don't have it. So he's the only technical person here, right?
Correct.
Because I see we have a lot of new viewers. I just want to clarify a bit more.
Mhm.
Yep. Okay, Sparsh, I'm ready to share your
Mhm.
screen.
Cool.
Just give me a second. We currently see, yeah.
Cool.
Okay.
Okay. So
We
I'll just
currently
copy the same prompt and I actually pasted it already here. So you can see it here. It just shows pasted text and yeah, I think once we start, I'll just press enter.
But what this is actually? This is not
This
the
is
usual
Claude
Claude.
code. Yep.
Oh, it's Claude
I
Code.
love how
Yeah.
Doug is asking, what is this?
I never used Claude Code myself, so I was only trying to build things on Claude just by like usually. Please create. Oh, we have a comment from YouTube Live.
Yes, we've got Salman for watching our YouTube videos for a while, and he's been asking us to build like trading bots and like arbitrage bots. So we've also, for all the viewers out here, we've also like started like a small YouTube channel, just recently itself, and we've just posted like 7 videos of tutorials on how you can build Solana applications with the help of Noah. Very quick. So yeah, Salman, I think we've seen your comments. I think he's commented like 5 times on like each video. So I think next video that we post out will 100% be a trading bot around trading and trading bot itself. So yeah, it'll be super easy for you to also build something cool.
Yep.
But
Okay.
okay, so let's do it in like 3, 2, 1.
Wait. Just a quick question:
Okay.
is it a hack if you're using Claude Code and not like usual Claude interface, dashboard, whatever? Is this a
I
hack?
haven't used Claude Cowork. Honestly, like for me, like I don't want to install that on my PC. So because it has access to all the files, even this has, but it's actually working in one single folder. So it's much safer. And obviously I'll uninstall this after the
So, so
stream.
Sparsh,
So
I think what Daki is asking is not cowork, but Daki is
Mhm.
asking about normal Claude.
Okay. So yeah,
But
like
yes, yeah.
normal Claude as in like using Claude inside cursor or just using Claude LLM, like the
Just,
model.
just, just like the Claude LLM, not like the
Yeah,
CLI.
yeah, so it will basically use the like Claude only in the backend, and I think it should be almost similar, but as Cursor or any other model that you're using with Claude, but maybe better in terms of like performance and speed, hopefully.
Yep. So
Okay.
basically, like Claude, what Daki, what Sparsh is using is like a terminal-based AI coding agent. So it's like quite different from what you use on the desktop.
Hmm.
So
Okay.
yeah.
I'm still confident that Noah will wipe the streets with Cloud Code. I'm just saying, like, okay, let's go. Oh my gosh,
Wait,
we're almost breaking 200 views on our stream. This is
let's
insane,
go. 17 minutes
guys.
in. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Wait. Okay, 3, 2, 1. I'm ready. Go, shoot him.
Go. I shoot it. Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, so Cloud Code is started. Okay, we see this now. Now I'm gonna remove your and adding myself. So if you see NoahAI started, and I'm gonna remove myself and add Sayuj, and I'll first map the existing project and wire the on-chain betting logic and the app interface together. Some shaping is a complete starter rather than patching. I'm just curious what GPT Codex is going to do here. I'm really
Yep.
curious to see this.
Real
Um,
development plus a polished wallet ready front end deployment instructions. Install.
okay, you have a
Okay, this
question
is
here.
what I know. Yeah, this is what install the React Solana client packages. This is gonna take some time.
Wait, what?
Submit.
Why do you need
Ye-
this?
Sparsh, can you explain in terms of like technical terms? I would say to
Okay,
the viewers as
so
well.
like
Yeah.
Sayed's PC doesn't have. Just give me 1 second. I just have to. Okay, dynamite rate multiplier. The let's just go with one. And nonsense.
Okay,
Cool.
so is something
Yeah.
happening on your side
So
also? Wait,
yeah,
guys,
it's just asking.
you guys are doing something and I'm not doing anything. Just to clarify
I'm
this.
not. I'm not doing anything either.
Yeah, but it keeps on
Okay.
asking me for installations and everything. So this time I've
So
clicked on install everything and don't ask me again. But
okay.
yeah, so okay, yeah. So you guys were asking like what it Codex was doing, right? So like Sayed's PC doesn't have all the dependencies installed, right? Like and all the packages installed. So it will install all the packages first, and then it will start. You want to proceed? Okay. So like once all the packages are installed, then it will start writing the code and like compiling it and writing test cases and then building the whole application. So on Noah, it doesn't
So
happen because we actually. Mhm.
just to like go back to it. So why do I need to install these packages? What are these packages? Like
Mhm.
in like very basic terms, can you like explain a little bit, please?
Sure. So let's say whenever you have to run something on your PC, right, or let's say on server as well, you need to install packages because let's say the app that we build, right, it's a React application and it's built in TS TypeScript. So in order to compile that and run that on your PC, like you have to install those packages so the application
Mm-hmm.
can run.
Mm-hmm.
So the code that you're writing can actually compile and it can be rendered on your PC, and you can actually interact with the application.
Got it. And then I love how Dagi is like, what the hell was that? I didn't understand anything.
But yeah, like
I just
that's why
want to
Noah
thank.
is like super easy to use, because you don't have to download or install anything, right? It's downloading the packages, installing everything, so creating the whole development environment. So
So,
yeah, you can see it here as well.
curious, well, few more questions before we like get into like the next segment. But like, what are some of the, I would say, like advantages of downloading, or like some disadvantages? Why should one, let's say, use some tool like Noah, and somebody would use something like Codex or Claude Code?
I would say it's much safer if you don't know how to code. And right now as well, like I'm just installing packages. I'm not checking out like what packages it is installing. So because
Yeah.
once you install some, like there are a lot of bugs as well, right? And vulnerabilities in these, I would say, packages. I'm not sure if you saw like there were a few hacks as well, or like with npm packages, and there were a lot of packages getting hacked, and like hackers are actually pushing malicious code so they could actually access your PC. So
Mhm.
once those packages are installed, they can actually get your wallet keys, they can hack your system, and like get everything right. And maybe even if you have your other details stored in some files, like credit card or debit card or any other account details, so they can actually use that and like hack into those accounts as well. And on Noah, what happens is like everything is on browser, so it's much safer because whatever is getting installed on that browser online server. And like you don't actually that way, like it's much safer for a lot of people, because like you're not losing anything. There's nothing that is being downloaded or installed on your PC.
Got it. So, like, if any users are like, let's say, installing third-party packages using Cloud Code or like Codex, so your computer can be exposed to like getting hacked, right?
Yes, this happened as well. Like one of my friends lost, I think, close to 300K because
Oh wow.
like
Oh my
he was
god!
using
Sheesh.
yeah.
What?
So yeah, so he was using, I'm not sure which I'm not sure if he was using Cursor or Claude, but yeah, he was experimenting a
Why
lot of
didn't you
things.
tell me this before? The hackers would take $4 from my wallet.
Just to clarify here, like
Yeah.
the suggestion is use Noah if you don't want to lose 300K dollars, right? Right.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
it's
I
much
mean,
safer.
when you put it to that perspective, like yeah, but still, this
Yeah.
is sorry for cutting you off, Sparsh. This is so confusing for me. Like, what are these green? What are these like? The moment I see code, I get my heartbeat starts like I get nervous.
Yeah,
I get nervous.
it's
And
pretty confusing, right? Yeah.
like, do I have to understand what Claude is doing it here, or right?
I think
No.
in yeah, like you don't have to as a non-developer, right? And I think initially what a lot of people do is like they just actually build applications and make sure that the POC is working fine, right? The proof of concept is working fine, and then you actually move to the next step, which is basically deploying it somewhere so you can actually share it with someone, and or you can
What
actually
does
use different.
sorry? What does it
Mhm.
mean deploying it somewhere, like to a specific website or?
So yeah. So like currently what will happen is like it will be deployed on my, like it will just run the code on my PC, right? So I can't share it with anyone until I just like create a new, I would say, file and upload it on, let's say, Netlify or Vercel. And on Noah it's pretty easy. Like you can just click on one button and it does that for you. And yeah, like it's much more easier to share as well if you're using Noah.
Yeah, because
Okay.
I just can
Nice.
deploy it in few seconds and
Also
share
it's
the link
much
with it.
like once you've deployed that, right, you can actually use different tools to like check if there are any like security issues with your code, right, and your application, and then you can actually fix that using Noah as well later on. So we've added those features as well, including the audit report for your Solana programs.
So what I've seen also is like a lot of people buy like a separate computer altogether just to like run their AI coding agents, so
Mhm.
that if any vulnerability etc. it doesn't get affected on their main computer itself. But that's such
Yeah.
a hassle, man. Like why would I do that? I mean, Depends, of course. There are multiple people who have the money to invest in another laptop, especially for this, or want to go down this line as well. But like, if you have Noah in front of you, like, why would you even want to go down that route, right?
100%.
So yeah, especially when it comes to like building crypto applications and like blockchain applications,
Yep.
that's where
Yeah,
Noah
like
actually shines.
even I haven't installed Claude Cowork or like Codex
Mhm.
because like as a developer, I know like what it can do in the backend, right? And it has access to everything. And that's why, like you said, everyone is buying Mac Mini or installing that in a different
Yep.
computer. So
Yep.
I think,
Yep.
yeah, if you're installing these things, so it's better to just use a different PC so that like even if something goes wrong, like you can just erase everything and you don't lose any money or anything else.
Yep. 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 No, I mean,
We got a
uh,
we, we got a nice comment here. Like that sounds like that person got a high price lesson. If you consider that you paid 300K for this
Yeah.
lesson.
yeah, but
Yeah.
that's mad, man. That's crazy, to
Yeah.
be
So
Yeah.
honest.
just to
But
sorry.
go ahead. Go ahead.
Yeah, I just wanted to say let's review what's currently happening. I am at my second step of 5. I assume this will take like a couple more minutes for me to have a product, right? Then for Sayu's side, I guess he's still downloading packages.
Still waiting. Yep.
Right?
Created 8 files. Yeah, running command. I think this is gonna take a little bit more time than I assumed.
Yep.
Let's
And
see.
then
Yeah.
going to Sparsh, there's just bunch of documents on the left side, which I still don't
Yeah.
understand what each of them are. And there are just bunch of code lines that are also here. So even with like being the like not biased at all, like even looking at each screen, I would say no AI looks the most like the cleanest because you don't see the code, uh you just see you just see what Noah is doing. And then I would say that there's a like ChatGPT Codex actually kind of is doing the same thing because it's letting you know exactly what's happening. And then Sparsh is completely confused for me. Like the Claude is completely confusing because only thing you see is code, which for me is a non-technical. I don't want to see code. That's the last
Yeah.
thing I want to see.
Yep. Yep. I just got a pop up from like Codex as well. Codex would like to access files in your documents folder.
Oh.
Allow
Yeah,
or
we
don't
have a
allow now.
yeah, we have here a new comment from Rain King.
Allow
Thank you
it.
so much for joining in, man. I was scared at first, but I've been able to build. Right? Super easy to build with Noah, man. Super easy. Nothing to be scared of. It's a simple tool. You write down in English and you get the output. So whatever you built, share with us. I'm curious to see what you did, man. Yep.
Man, I now it's going on and like downloading it for me. Now, let's hope I don't do anything wrong though. But you can't see this pop up for me.
Oh,
Yeah,
there's a
downloading the software. Yeah, so let me just share my screen really quick. Let's see if I can share. So wait 1 second. I'm still gonna stop my screen and like share my whole screen altogether.
okay. Okay. Let's see what's
Stop
happening with Sparsh.
screen.
Yeah, I was
Present.
just unmuting myself, but yeah,
Yep.
keeps on asking for permission to just change a few lines of code. So,
Oh, I'm done.
oh, nice.
I'm done. Let me jump into my site.
What?
I'm done.
I think it hasn't
Okay.
even started building
Shall
the
we?
React app for me. So,
I'm done. It's absolutely
For me,
like
yeah. Oh, you're done?
I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I mean, like the UI is obviously right, but still, shall
Again.
we see
Yeah. Wait,
shall we
does it
see
work?
if this works? Yeah.
Let's
Shall we
test
see?
it. Yeah, let's
Wait.
test it.
I just need to
mhm.
move. I just need to move to DevNet. Just give me a second. Um, Developer settings, testnet mode, Solana DevNet. Correct. I have 19 Sol. I'm connecting my wallet right now in case you guys can't see. You guys can see? It's connected?
Yep.
Yes.
Yep.
Yep. Yep. Yep.
So should I create a market first? Will Sol reach $100 before it reach no before uh end of end of June? Let's do this. Create market. Okay. Asking me
To confirm,
asking me to confirm. Okay, simulation failed. Okay. Let's take a screenshot right.
take a
Oh
screenshot.
shit. Wait, I need to redo it. I wasn't on time. Okay, simulation failed. That's fine. It happens from time to time. Probably a prompt. I have an error message, and I'm letting no one know that something isn't working just by sharing my screenshot. So let's see. It's going to start working on. I
Till
don't think this
then,
is going to
I
take
think
much. Yep. Go ahead, sorry, Sherry.
no. I was just saying till then, I'm gonna be downloading the software. I think it'll be taking 8 minutes. So this is what it's doing right now.
Oh,
Yeah, that's funny. Sparsh, let's see.
Yeah,
Let's see what's happening on your side.
yeah, like it's currently still working on the Solana program. So yeah, let's see.
Yeah. Let me see what it's
Link
saying
that
on my
view,
side.
calibrate
The error means that program ID is in the code does not match the deployed program on DevNet. Let me check the current configuration and redeploy the contract. Okay, so this is going to be done. I think this is going to take only like a minute or two, not more than that. Okay, my whole crypto website, yada yada. I'm still have to
Don
figure out
Leon.
pictures, but it's moving. Nice, man.
Don
Thank-
Leon. Shout out to Don Leon dot XYZ.
Shout out, man. This is very interesting. Yep, KC. It is. This is why we're doing it. Our main goal here is to showcase that Noah AI is simpler for building Solana programs, and there's no lie to this. You guys can see this ourselves. You guys can test yourselves. That's also the case. You guys can test yourself. So just here.
Yep.
Okay, so all 13 tests passing, deploying to DevNet again. Okay, so there was a mismatch between the program and the DevNet contract, I assume, in the most non-technical way. Uh, the deployment failed due to API key processing proceeding to return. Cool. It's going to do its own thing. How's it going on your side, Sayuj?
Same old, same old.
You
Now
need
it's
about
getting
16
like
minutes.
now. First it was 8 minutes. Now it's 16 minutes. This is gonna take a while. I think more than the stream. I think it'll take more time to like download
Why
all
is
these
it
packages.
downloading the software on your PC?
I don't know.
Is it
That
that
is weird.
scary?
Is
Depends
that
what it
weird?
is downloading.
Push? Ah.
Like, I'm not sure if it needs that, to be honest.
If I lose my $4 because of the stream, I'm gonna blame it to you on you.
I'm gonna blame the whoever suggested this idea, which is you.
Yeah.
It's you. I mean, I don't want to point fingers here, but it's you. Let's see what's happening on Sparsh side. Sparsh, what's happening
So
over there?
it's just trying to use different versions to actually build the Anchor program. So then once it builds, then it can run test cases. But basically, it's not able to compile the Solana program for now. So let's see.
Oh, it's not able to.
Yep.
What are these
Version
documents?
mismatch mostly.
What does this mean?
Difficult to explain. So it's just figuring out which compiler version to use and like Anchor version to use. So to compile the code and to make it work basically.
Yep. Okay. Things are almost ready on my side.
Okay. So for me, it says the app is DevNet ready but not deployed. Deployment requires the Solana Anchor toolchain, funded deployer wallet, and generated program key pair. See the official Solana deployment guide.
Okay, what?
So
So
is
it's
it
not
not
going to be
creating a
deploying.
wallet on your PC?
Yeah, it's not. I think that's why it's like installing this software, or I don't know
Okay,
what's it's
weird.
installing. Maybe because of that, or I don't know. But it says I mean, I'll have to go by myself and like deploy the program by myself.
Oh, that's weird. It should actually deploy it from your PC though,
Let
and
me
it should
on.
just create a new Solana wallet.
Yeah, can't.
Mm,
I guess the
Let's see
main
what.
question that people are going to have after you like have these packages, after you have like a setup on your own in Claude, does this makes it easier to build that Noah AI? I would still say probably no, because if you're looking to test out different projects, each time you have to go through the same process. Not on like I'm not sure about the codex, but on Claude, this process that currently Sparsh is going through, you'll have to go every single time. And on my side,
So yeah,
yeah,
I think this
go
will
ahead.
happen. Like the package, you won't have to install the packages and everything else again. But I think what it is trying to currently figure out, it will have to do that again with every other project that it is building. So
Yep.
yeah, like whenever you create a new project, like it will take a lot of time to actually figure a lot of these things out. But like the installing packages part wasn't that, like it didn't take that much time, to be honest. I think it only took maybe 2 3 minutes. After that, it's just figuring out the rest of the stuff.
I'm
Oh,
still trying to figure out what it's trying to download or install.
Hmm.
For me, that's kind of weird though.
okay. Addition. Try creating a market again.
What
Let's
is
see. I'm ready. Streaming, guys. Create a market. Will Soul reach $100 before the end of June? Create market. Let's see if it's going to work now. I'm confirming on my side. You don't see my Phantom wallet. Soft shout out right there. Oh,
Is it
simulation
on
failed
like
again.
DevNet, or are you doing the transaction on mainnet though?
It should be on DevNet. It should be at that. Should be at that. I said on DevNet.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
So it should be there. We'll try that again. Yes, confirm. Okay, so I have again a small error here. That's fine. Still have an error. Please fix this. Just a screenshot. And hey, it doesn't work for me. Figure it out, douchebag. I'm sorry. Guys, I'm sorry. I got carried away a bit.
But yeah, it
Okay.
happens with, I would say, every
It
project
happens.
and with every developer as well. So
It could
nothing
be
to be
the
scared of.
case. I think the main thing here is that we give us too simple of a prompt. Is that possible, Sparsh?
Doesn't look like that on Claude though, on my end.
Yeah. Okay. We see your screen right now, Sayush.
Yeah, it's still the new program address. I'm funding the. Oh, so it's creating like a
Okay.
new wallet for me, and then funding it with DevNet Soul, and then so I can like actually Codex could probably deploy the program for me on DevNet.
So what Codex is Sparsh, if I understood well, what Codex is doing, it's giving its own testing wallet for testing purposes,
Yeah, so
while
just yeah, and it's just yeah, deploying the wallet now after I think fetching funds from the DevNet faucet. So it's just waiting for that.
are you really doing an ambassador program? Yeah, just DM us about that. Maybe your prompt was just wrong. Probably. Does NoahAI also publishes the build app? Correct, Crypto. It does. You can deploy them either on Vercel or Netlify. I'm gonna show that in a second. Man, Claude has nothing on Noah. No templates either. Correct. Uh, and you can deploy immediately on Vercel. That's also correct. I'm just going to loving the comparison here. Great idea for the stream. Thank you, Casey. Much love for you, man. Thank you for support. We're almost breaking 300 views, which is insane.
Let's go. 40 minutes in.
40 minutes in. Like our
40.
on
Oh,
our
good.
last stream, our record was breaking 100 views in 40 minutes. This is 3x right now.
That is absolutely nuts. Thanks, guys, for like whoever's been watching consistently week by week. You know, thanks for joining in. I think we're gonna be doing this weekly for sure. But I think this was like a very good idea to like, because what I get as like questions, and we get like as questions from the community side as well since day one, is like, why would I use Noah? Why not
Correct.
Claude Code? Why not Codex? So I think this was necessary for us to come out there on live stream and just showcase how each of them compare. Everyone, like, see, Claude Code, of course, goated tool. Codex as well, goated, like very good tools out there. Noah as well, goated, 100%. But every tool has its own advantage and disadvantage. So in this, I think every person who's in like an average AI user doesn't just use one thing itself. So you have to have like multiple tools for like multiple different things. Even on the marketing side of things, Ducky, you use, let's say, CapCut, or like you use Figma, you use Higgsfield. There are so many different tools that you need to use. So there's not one tool itself that could do everything itself.
I agree.
So yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
I agree. You just have like the main thing for Noah though, which I would just like to add on top of what you said, is that Noah AI is actually doing perfectly what it is designed to do, right? It does not
Mhm.
try to do or anything else, right? We're not trying to build Ethereum applications and programs with Noah AI. We just don't. Our
So,
main
sorry to interrupt, Ducky, but like I had like a quick question from Sparsh itself. So, like, why can use, because I've got this question from users as well. So, like, people have asked me like, will there be a Noah MCP server, or where they could connect to Claude, GPT, Cursor, Codex, or like Perplexity to Noah?
We haven't built that, like we're not working on that, because I think a lot of people who are working or using Claude for this, they might not use Noah. But what we're doing is like we're
Mhm.
adding this functionality where you can like create agents and your agents can just interact with Noah in some way. So it will be like they'll be working on the front end, like they'll be like interacting with the whole Noah front end application, and you'll be able to just go there and view your projects there. And the first, I would say, example of this will be launching most probably next week, I guess. Someone is already doing that.
Nice. Okay. Because this question I've got asked quite a lot, that hey, why not let me use Noah on my Claude or my own setup, so that I can like easily generate Solana applications through the Noah MCP, and then like also continue working on my project that I'm doing on Cloud Code, or let's say Codex as
But
well.
it's pretty
So yeah.
easy with, if you have like you already have a GitHub repo, you can just link that to Noah and
Correct. Correct.
like yeah,
Yes.
build the code there, and everything is pushed on GitHub once it builds everything. So then you can
Mm-hmm.
just do the same, like continue from there on your favorite editor, or like you can either use Cursor, Cloud Code, or Codex from there.
Yeah, because when we did, remember when we did like the Dev3 pack hackathon as well, there were few developers who were actually quite surprised as to Noah's performance, because they've been using Cloud Code,
Mhm.
Codex themselves. They were quite surprised by how quick the deployment is to DevNet, to mainnet as well. And they said that I would definitely use Noah specifically for that. So, but then again, that's not our ICP. Again, we're not targeting devs. We're targeting people like Ducky and I, non-technicals, people with brilliant ideas, who don't have the means to like go out there and like actually build something by themselves. But yeah,
Yep.
so
Yep.
Ducky,
Yep.
where we're at with your application.
I'm almost finishing here. It's been 45 minutes. I had three different prompts so far, while ChatGPT, Codex, and Claude had only one. So I just finished. Let's see if this works right now. Had recomp and redeployed. I only tested this. Do I have enough credit? Yeah, I do. Okay. Let me slowly try to create a market here. I'm gonna just refresh once, make sure that the latest one will reach $100 before the end of June. Let's hope this works now. Oh, We have another program error. That's fine. Let me check. Hey, another error, bozo.
Okay, so Ducky, like, are you using the same wallet for creating the market as well? I don't think that would cause there. But like, there's also one more thing with tools like Noah, that sometimes the AI actually messes up the initial code and the starting code, and it just actually gets into a loop of fixing the wrong things. So you can also open a new tab and just give it the first prompt that you used, and let's see if it actually builds that. Like, I actually do that a lot on I would say even Cursor. So because like once it writes the wrong code for all the files, it just tries to fix everything and it's not able to fix those things. Like, and the same thing happens with Lovable, Replit, and all the other tools as well.
100%. Again, still, I think I don't use simple. Oh my god, something popped up. Sorry, I don't use simple prompts for Noah, or like overall with a vibe code. I usually drop my idea to like ChatGPT or Claude and be like, "Hey, give me a hero prompt for myself," so it gives all
Mhm.
the details in. Usually like this, I don't have many errors. So it could be that our prompt was too simple, right, Sparsh? Is this possible?
Mm, I think it should still be able to do everything. And I think later on you can actually improve that. But yeah, like if you use a better prompt in the first attempt, you obviously get a much better application with all the, I would say, correct features as well, and like what you exactly need. But yeah, like I think, but this one should also work.
Yeah. Let me see once more here, because if I open Noah again on different tab, it is going to pause my project, right?
Oh no, so it will just,
No.
no, it will work on it as a separate project.
Let me do that ASAP right now.
You
Oh, I
learned
actually
something new today.
no. Yeah, I did. I did. Okay. How are things on your side, guys?
For me, I'm gonna add myself to stage. Still waiting. Uh, at the same, I think it's still fetching some DevNet Soul from the faucet. This shouldn't take that much time, man. Like, or I can fund the address as well, maybe by myself. But I'm stuck
Yep.
out here. I'm still stuck.
Nothing
Mine
is
is
happening.
compiling.
Let's check yours, Sparsh. Looking at your screen now.
Yep. So it's still compiling, and once that is done, it will check the test cases as well. But yeah, like it already wrote the Solana program though.
Oh, I wrote the Solana program.
Yes, I think so. It's
Mm.
ready. I'll have to let me check. Just open it with cursor. Let's see.
Noah is naturally coded, Rain. It's not AI built. It'll be funny that we built Noah with Noah. No, it's actually not. It's not naturally coded. It's
you
naturally
could
coded, yeah.
you could probably could you? You could probably build Noah
I
with
think someone
Noah.
did build this. So I remember that. It happened a while ago though. Maybe three,
Imagine
four
that.
months back.
Hey, AI, Noah, replicate yourself. Uh, the sun is going directly into my screen, so I apologize for this, guys.
Where are you sitting? Looks really nice. Some
I'm at the.
greenery out there.
I went outside. I'm sitting on my balcony now.
Ah, nice. You got a nice view. I see you got a lot of trees
Mhm.
and plants. Yep.
Thank you. I should be practicing this more. It makes me way more. How do you say? Damn. Way
Efficient,
more efficient.
calm, efficient. Ah, okay. Okay.
Efficient.
Okay. Okay.
Just move this out to the right side. Yep, we're good here. So nothing is happening on your side, Sayush.
Nothing on my side, man. I'm still waiting. Still yapping out here. Still waiting.
Sparsh, I'm still confused by your screen. That's fine, I guess.
Even like I hate this part where I'm seeing every line edited. I'm not sure like on an editor it's much better. It looks much better. But yeah, like it just uses a lot of my terminal and shows me a lot of random things. So which obviously I do want to see. Like I would say like a lot of coders also they don't actually look at this. They just see the code when the whole project is built. That's much easier as well because like I would know like the AI couldn't actually mess up this part, right? The super easy part, and then I can just go to the most important part of the code, right, or the app, and just check those things out. But yeah, like it's basically writing everything here and editing here now. So
I bet if I kickstart from start now, I'm still going to be faster than you guys.
yeah,
100%.
Just saying.
I
yeah.
think
But
so as well.
not sure why I'm jumping into this issue. It's weird.
It can do sometimes it does go into like loops as per side, and
Yeah.
it just keeps getting worse and worse. So maybe either or you roll back to your original prompt or like just start from fresh from scratch.
Yeah. I'm out of credits actually. Parsh, can we ping
uh,
Jayesh?
Yes.
oh
Yeah.
yep.
But then I can literally kickstart and it's going to be ready, like way better than you. I'm just flexing with I'm just flexing on Sparsh with the tool that he built. That's so funny.
Yeah.
That's actually so
I
funny.
think we need to do that again though. Next time I'll come with a
Maybe,
better prompt.
yeah, maybe next time what we can do is we can also showcase some other tools also like Replit or Bolt
Mm.
or Lovable as well. Lovable, I don't think anything is going to be possible except for like a front end, but maybe Replit and Bolt could perform. Maybe I'm not too sure,
But
but yeah,
what is Cursor? Isn't Cursor the tool on its own?
It's
yeah. So
actually like VS Code, a code editor,
yep.
and on the right side you have agents, and you can just talk to agent, and they can like build the whole project for you or edit the code for you. It also
They just
like
got acquired by SpaceX.
yep
Fucking
for
crazy.
60
Yeah,
billion.
Who?
60
Who?
billion.
Cursor,
Cursor.
cursor.
Yeah.
No way. Why isn't it Noah, man? Come on, guys.
It's because we're building for a specific niche, you know.
Right?
Yeah, yeah. But
Let me check.
come on, man.
I actually stopped. No, I stopped AI myself. So I'm just gonna do it again. The last one.
Oh, okay. I'm still waiting.
Fix
Still
this.
waiting for the DevNet Soul. It says contract compiled successfully. Okay, it's compiled, but the public faucet is currently returning. Okay. So switching to Solana's recommended proof of work faucet. All right. Or I could probably manually hunt for test soul. I have test soul. I can just like make it faster. I do have testnet soul that I can send. Let me know.
Mhm.
140 people watching. What's up, everyone? Thank you for tuning in.
What's up, guys? What's up, guys?
We're
Yes.
actually
Oh,
having
we got
more
343.
views than we have more views than Bitcoin today, which is insane.
Damn,
That's
Bitcoin?
Bitcoin today. It's a live stream.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's
No
insane.
way. No way.
We're cooking.
I like that. We got motion, bro. Let's fucking go.
We got motion. Oh, Sparsh is typing something, guys. I need to
Yeah.
catch him.
So I
Sorry.
built the program and everything is working. So I'm just asking it
Wait,
to
everything is working.
yeah, just a program and test cases like a Noah, but it needs to build the front end as well. So I'm asking it if it built that. Let me see. Nope, it hasn't built the front end yet. So it needs to build that and deploy the Solana program.
I'm also out of usage. I just have 18% usage remaining. I have to upgrade.
Oh, that's
Uh,
insane.
$20 worth of credits, minimum balance. Okay, let's add $20.
Mhm.
You're getting out of
Damn.
usage.
I think this stream, if we carry on, I think this is gonna go on for like 3 hours.
Wait, you're upgrading? You're adding more cache into this?
I think I'll have to test and soul, DevNet soul separate. Oh my god. Okay, DevNet soul. Sorry. Sorry. DevNet soul. 4.2 soul needed. Okay, let me just send 4.
Oh.
Do I have 4.2 DevNet soul? Let me see. Daki, do you have DevNet soul?
I do.
Can you send this address some DevNet soul, please?
That will
4
cost you
point.
one real soul.
Ah,
Shoot it over. Shoot it over. Shoot it over. Shoot it
I'd
over.
rather not.
Nah, it's fine.
Here. 4.3, please. 0.1 for myself.
Now you're getting cocky, man. Okay, let me send it over.
Thanks.
4.3.
Damn. Okay. Wait, I see Noah on top, man. Live on X 358. There's Austin Griffith. That's Dodge OS. Shout out to Dodge OS, guys.
Wait, why isn't I'm unable to send it? Why? I have 19 and I can't send 4.3. Did you send the correct address? Is this DevNet address?
Yeah.
Is it
this
on?
would-
Oh, okay.
Wait, what? Wait, no. Is DevNet address same as the like mainnet address on Solana wallet?
Yeah.
No, it's still not sending. You're currently in testnet mode. It's not sending. I'm not sure why.
Oh, because you're on testnet mode. I think you need to shift on DevNet. Wait, do you
Oh,
have
no,
DevNet?
it's fine. So
It should
Yeah,
be
that's DevNet soul.
you can share the address with me, Sage. I'll transfer
Okay,
you
let,
the.
let me share it.
Oh, I sent. No. I sent 2
You
times
sent it?
by mistake.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay, nice. I got like 9 in total. I didn't get anything though yet.
Yeah,
Oh,
you should
okay.
have bunch.
Okay, I should have it. Okay, all right. All done. Sent.
Okay, I'm gonna share my screen just for viewers to see something. We're kicking in 1 hour. Actually, super cool. There's close to 0 delay on this X stream, which is amazing. We're basically live with chat. Whoever sends a message in chat, we can respond immediately. So, guys, if you have any questions, please shoot. The stage is yours. Not really, but pretend.
I think this stream has been really good because we've had like a bunch of people who joined in and like asked questions, and it's been an interactive stream as well so far. So,
100%.
but the only thing is like Codex and Claude aren't working too well. Maybe we should have been prepared before and installed all the packages and then seen the. But I think this also shows all the viewers and people who are just joining in and never use Cloud Code or Codex, that what the whole process is from zero itself. From just putting out the prompt. But yeah.
The fuck is doing? What the fuck is happening on Sparsha stream?
Oh, I love how
Best
Taki
stream best stream so far. Thank you so much, KC. Much love to you, man. You've been a supportive, for a while now. Thank you, Ben.
Okay,
Yep.
so it has also hit.
So
reach
Sparsh,
limit.
update us. What's happening on your side?
So it's also having trouble fetching like DevNet Soul, getting DevNet Soul from the faucet. So I think I'll also transfer the like some DevNet Soul to that.
manually.
Hmm.
I have 8% usage now. Right now, I'm running
You're
really
cooked,
low.
man. You're
Yeah.
cooked. You're cooked.
All I have
You're
to
cooked.
reset after 5 hours. Do it after 5 hours at night.
How's it possible that on my side, Sparsh, it spent so little amount of credits? It spent 7 million to build like and these loops and everything. We not now like Noah is way more cost efficient since V3 launched, correct?
Sorry, could you repeat that? There was some, I
Yeah,
think,
yeah.
network.
I spent like only 7 million on all of this so far. Credits. It's
Uh,
like way
in
more
all the
cost
games.
efficient.
I've tried it on Cursor, and yeah, like just deploying, like installing the packages and everything, like it will cost you a lot more money, and building the whole application as well. So I would say $7 for everything. Yeah, it would have cost you like 14 or like $15 on Cursor if you were using Claude or anything else.
Oh,
But their
so
new model is pretty cheaper, but also pretty. I would say it's not as good as Claude though. So
yeah,
yeah, might be difficult to use.
yeah. My deployment keeps
Mal,
failing, which is show it. You're cooked.
I'm
Yep.
cooked.
In terms of cost, using new AI is more better. Yep. 100% agree with you, Jess. I hope Jess is fine to pronounce your name. Jess Run. Jesse Run. Jesse? Jess.
Jesse. Jesse
Yeah,
run.
but 100%. No is way more.
Okay,
Uh,
so
are there many because like the DevNet deployment is constantly failing
yeah,
silently? Is there
it's because of the
something?
RPC issue. So like the same issue I think Claude is also having to fetch the like to get DevNet Soul. Hmm.
Okay, so
Same. Yep.
Noah is show that this is interesting. You guys see my screen right now? Yeah.
Yes.
So the DevNet deployment is constantly failing silently. The program compiles and tests pass locally, but never makes it to DevNet. Weird. Um,
The RPC is failing, yeah. So I
so I
think
can't
that's the
force the
issue.
DevNet. Yeah.
Hmm.
Same for all out for us as well. The public DevNet RPC is heavily throttling the upload, but the resumable
Yeah.
deployment is progressing. Yeah. And I'm
Could it
out
be
of
so?
codex credits.
Really?
Can you share
Yeah.
your screen?
It's not shared. Wait.
So yeah, and like GPT is actually cheaper than Claude. So if you built that in $7, I think it used up way more. I would say
There
tokens
you
on
go.
Codex.
KC,
Uh,
NoahAI cooks these other platforms. Yep. In terms of building Solana programs, which is Noah designed for 100%. Raz, what's up, Raz shares? Welcome in, man. Also best NoahAI, 100%, man. Thank you for support. We just broke 400 views live on stream. This is absolutely insane for me.
ooh, let's go.
Yeah, this is absolutely insane. I guess people are really curious to find out which is the best. What is the best tool to use for building Solana programs?
Let me upgrade, man. I need to upgrade. Uh,
Yeah, I just loaded my account with credit. Will it stop for me, Sparsh, or it will finish?
No, can you check? Like, can you refresh the? No, not this thing. Like, you can go to the homepage and refresh if you have credits.
Do I have to refresh it in the middle of the
Not
working?
in this one. Like, you can just open a new tab and see if you got the credits.
Does it work like that? Really? It's not going to stop my
No,
development?
you'll have to open a new tab and then just go to your profile.
Yep, I got the credits. I'm here.
Nice.
Just to clarify here, Noah said that it understood the full picture. Write the
wait, what?
program, it's closed.
So
So apparently Noah understood what's the issue, but I'm still going to kickstart a new one. Is that fine? I
this
still
is the like first project you were working on, right?
first project. What do you mean by that? Sorry.
Yeah, yeah, the original project.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
This
you
is
can
the
open a
original
new tab
project.
and just try building the same one on that.
Yeah, let me do that real quick. Should I
Even the
mention
kid.
Solana? Should I mention that it's Solana DevNet, or I should go mainnet? I think
If you
Nah,
want to
DevNet.
deploy
I
it on
think DevNet.
mainnet, so yeah, like it will cost you I think 3 4 souls. So.
Yep.
But yeah,
Let's
like
see what's going
the
to happen.
correct way is to just always deploy on DevNet, test everything, and then deploy it on mainnet.
100%. Sayush, can you share? Oh, you're sharing your screen. Let's see what's happening on your side.
I'm
Are you
done, man.
cooked?
I need to upgrade.
Or wait 5 hours?
Oh, wait, 5 hours. Yeah.
Oh, wait.
I'm
Actually,
gonna-
it's an hour and 40 minutes. You're fine. You're fine. You just have to wait 1 hour and 40 minutes. It's
Okay.
8 p.m. Your It's 8 p.m. on your side
It's a
now.
8 5. Yeah, resets at 9:38 p.m. Upgrade on Batfran.
Mhm.
Okay.
No, you're good. 1 hour and 40 minutes, guys. We'll check on him in like 2 hours. Let's see. You're cooked. You're cooked. I'm sorry.
I
Case
mean, to be
closed.
honest, I've been using Noah since like day one, and it's been like it's like smooth as a butter. But for this, I had like installed so many things, give access to like everything, give access to my files, to my whole computer. So, I mean, of course, if you don't care about your about what you're doing on your main computer, then of course go ahead and do it. But like, it's kind of scary as well, as Sparsh said that it's quite easy to install third-party packages as well, and like it could potentially, you could potentially download some malware. But yeah, uh,
Yeah.
I'm probably gonna get back to this in 1.5 hours and like start again, and then see and like push out the. Or maybe we could, for next stream, what we could do is maybe we could download all the packages, install all the packages, and then
Then
do the
test it. Yeah.
prompts again. Yeah, then test
Also,
it
I think
again.
there's some issue with RPC as well, because even on my wallet, it keeps on showing an error when I try to send it DevNets also to a different address. So I think it could be an issue. Yeah, so maybe that's why even Claude and like GPT aren't able to build that. So maybe we can try again
Bro, like
next week.
don't give me don't give me excuses now, man. Come on. Don't give me excuses, bro. It's so funny that I'm sitting here and talking about the product that Sparsh built himself. So it's a bit funny for me, I have to say. Okay, so I have two projects at the same time right now. The first project is cooking, still fixing, apparently knows what it's doing, and then have a second project that is also started 0 out of 8 tasks. So on the last time, so this is what's interesting. On the last prompt I did, it was 0 out of 5 tasks. Now the same prompt, 0 out of 8 tasks. Can you explain, Sparsh, why this is the case? Or you
I'll
haven't?
have to check the steps though. So, what's in the plan?
Do you want
Can
me
you
to
open
do
that?
it? Yeah.
Yeah. Set up design system. Okay, build hero component, create market model, build index page, create Solana program. It is just, I would say, a much more detailed plan. So I think the output would be way better. But like in most of the projects that I've created, it just comes up with 7 or 8 tasks.
Yeah, usually it's like 8 tasks on average.
And then like, isn't it also true that like whenever you put, even if you put like the same prompt at the same time on Noah, it'll give you like different outputs,
Yep.
Yep.
Yeah.
right?
Yep.
Yeah. So that's what.
Yep. That is true.
Sparsh, is it cooking for you, or are you having some errors as well on your end?
No, it's working on the front end app. Let's see. But I already had the node packages installed and everything else installed. So
Hey BG, currently watching from class. What would be the best tool for Solana hackathons? Do you want me to be honest or lie to you? I'm just gonna say straight up, no AI, man. If you're building on Solana programs, it's the most easier. If you're non-technical, 100% easiest. The main thing is right now, even like looking at like front end designs and all of this stuff that you see on X, like, and that people are building with Claude, you can literally build the same thing on no AI. And I tested this myself multiple times. I was I was doing the same thing. So I would always suggest, if you're non-technical, and I'm not going to assume anything here because you're in class, if you're a student or not of university. But if you're, in case you're non-technical, I would just say no AI, man. It's the best. But shout out to you. Thank you so much. tell your teacher or whoever there is like that they have no clue what they're doing, and you should learn by Noah. I'm just saying. You can repeat this if you want. We're just having fun, man. We're just having fun. We're happy here. We broke 1 hour mile, but in 1 hour we have 430 views. Let me share my screen right now. Sparsh. Going to showcase. Okay, so just to clarify once more, so Yush who's building with Codex, he's 100% cooked. He's out of usage after 50 minutes of Codex trying to do something. So we'll see you in around 1 hour and 40 minutes again. So Yush, thank you so much for playing. Noah is at 5 out of 8 tasks so far. So let's see.
But it's actually the opposite of what I've heard, right? So I heard that like you get much more credits on Codex, right? So you're actually able to build a lot more or code a lot more. So
Which isn't the true, right?
yeah, so I was just doing something on that. But yeah, so yeah, like yeah, it's kind of the opposite. For me, it's working till now, and yeah, I think 1 second.
Let's see. We're growing rapidly, guys. I keep saying this,
Maybe
but
maybe
just
it's
because I'm
because
excited.
it's I've been using GPT quite a lot, like in general. So I've already
Okay.
used up, like, let's say like 30%, 40% of my usage for the day, and then on top of it, I've just like installed multiple packages, etc. And so like it's like uh,
But I think it's like the amount of tokens you use on normal, right? By
mhm.
using ChatGPT web app, it's like very few. I think you'll only use it 3 to 5% of like whatever they allow daily. So
Okay.
that shouldn't be a problem.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking as well. Because 30% is a lot. Then if I use,
Mm.
then maybe it's because of the if because I installed so many packages, etc.
Yeah.
So it's just like
Packages
all
are
the
needed.
usage went there. Yeah, all the usage went there itself. So yeah, that's kind of annoying though.
Yep.
Hmm, hmm, hmm.
We have 10 times more users than Super Team Balkan. I'm just saying here. I'm kidding, guys. Guys, I wear a Super Team Balkan shirt, so big shout out to these guys.
Wait. What was that?
we have. I just said we have 10 times more viewers than Super Team Balkan.
Okay. No man, shout out to Super Team Balkans, man. They've been they're top G's. Yeah.
Yep.
Are you gonna be joining Super Team Balkan soon, Taki?
Hopefully, I
Okay.
want to.
Okay.
I
Okay.
just have to start. I have to start and like participating in more events, man. That's the main thing.
Hmm. There's one happening in Belgrade as well, right? In
Correct.
August.
Solana Summit is
Salan Summit.
happening in Belgrade. Next Solana Summit
Yeah.
is in Belgrade. So I heard it's going to be much better than Berlin. I'm kidding, guys. always trying to start some fun or something, guys. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I love Solana Super Team Germany. I love Super Team Balkan. I love all of the super teams. Anyone who's building on Solana and using NoahAI, I love them. Yeah. IRL events are the real alpha. Correct, Casey. 100%. When are we going to meet you, man? Are you coming to Solana Summit in Belgrade? Would love to meet you there. Which speaking of which, we should organize something in Solana Summit, man. I
We
should
should.
I should
That would be dope.
I should tell boys to give me a spot in the corner, and I'll make a big transparent Noah AI, and it will all have 5 minutes to build something on with Noah. Best
Yeah.
best build wins. Best build wins. $10,000. That's good.
I remember for Breakpoint, we took Uno cards and we had like discount codes on the Uno cards itself. That was actually cool.
That was such a cool idea. And I remember you took a picture with Bonk mascot. That
Yeah.
was so fun.
That was actually the first time we met as well. That was like the starting days of Daki and Noah. I
Yep,
remember. Yeah.
yep. That was the starting
Yeah.
days. Noah
But
will wrap up anytime right now on my screen. So let's see what's happening.
Still 5 out of 8. Let's see. Testnet mode. I'm cooked. I'm done. Oh, on another news, Super Team Vietnam's opened again. Nice. Can
Nice.
probably, yeah, we can probably speak to them now. Host like a workshop. Uh,
Is
like
Noah
do
going
like
to have any? Noah going to have any presence at Breakpoint? A question. The team will be there,
yes.
but the
Yes.
exact presence we are yet to see. How this is going to go to play out, but we're going to definitely be here. I mean, I hope I will. So we'll see.
Yep. I think we're gonna link up uh, for Breakpoint this year again. I think that'll be nice.
Yep. Okay, just checking
We'll
deployment.
probably get like vests, which are like that'll be actually quite nice, quite dope as well.
Sparsh, could it be an issue for the with Solana DevNet for some reason?
Yeah. So there's some issue with, I'm not sure, the RPC or something. So it keeps showing I don't have sufficient soul, but I have almost 400 soul,
Shame,
and like I can't even transfer 2 or 3.
shame,
So yeah,
shame.
that's an issue.
So is it like with Solana network overall, or it's not on our side?
Yeah, I think it's just an issue with RPC on DevNet, but whichever Phantom is using. But let's see. Even I think, but yeah, like even Claude wasn't even able to fetch like DevNet Soul. It's a simple command to actually fetch that or like get those. So it's not working for on that as well. Let's see. But let's
That's it.
see if Noah is able to do that.
We picked the perfect time. We picked the perfect time to do this. Who would have say? Okay, the contract deployed in all 12 tests passed. Let me read the full IDL to get the complete types. Okay, let me copy the front end, update the SDK. Now write the SDK 6 out of 8. So I'll be done in a minute now. Hopefully that it works fully. Just one more thing, guys, for all of new people who join in. We're testing in we're using 3 different tools, same prompt. I'm using NoahAI, which is Solana's native vibe coding tools. Sayush here was using GPT Codex, and then we have Sparsh, the CEO of NoahAI, the most technical person here. He's using the Claude because we find it the most complex. The results so far, NoahAI built the front end and back end, though there were some error on the back end in terms of like creating the tasks itself, right? So it's just running and fixing it on its own. But it's working. And then we started one more project. It's the same prompt on NoahAI right now. So let's see the output. Sayuj, after 50 minutes of building, he got cooked because there's like limits in usage. We'll see about with him. We'll check up on him in around 1 hour. And then Sparsh on
I'm
your side.
also stuck. Maybe you can share my screen as well, Lucky. I'll just show everyone. I think the wallet pop-up won't be visible, so I took a screenshot so to show you
Yep,
guys.
sharing your screen right now.
So you can see like I have almost 400 soul on DevNet, and it just shows I can't transfer soul. So that's pretty weird. And on this thing, I have to transfer some DevNet soul, but you never know like if it works or not. Like in most cases, what I've seen with Claude is it builds something and it like edits the test cases in a way so they pass and not fix the Solana program. This is it does this a lot of times, so you never know until you test it.
I'm done.
Oh, nice.
Oh, you're done.
Yep, this is the second prompt actually. So like the second build. So let's see. I'm gonna go here first. Oh, so we got a completely different UI now.
UI, yeah, because we weren't
Fine,
specific enough with the UI, right? So that's why.
Hmm.
correct. Please connect your wallet first. Okay, boss. Don't yell at me, please. I connected my wallet. I have seven DevNet soul. Gonna create market. Question: will Bitcoin hit 200K in June?
200K. 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 200K.
Add-on
Yes.
description, etc.
In June.
Creating in June. I'm confirming on my side. Please work. Simulation failed.
No.
Okay, again.
I think it
Is
could
that
be because of the RPC as well. So because like even Phantom isn't working, right? So because if the test cases are passing and it's trying to fix everything, it's most probably because of the RPC. So there's some issue with that. Because I'm not even able to transfer my like soul on DevNet. And can you click on the test cases, Daki, just next to the preview button? Or like that's a code one, but on the right one, on the right side.
this?
Next
No,
to the
no, no.
cloud. Yeah.
So
And
no, like on the right side. Can you go back?
Wait, what do I
So
have to do? Terminal?
on the side, yes, on terminal. Maybe we can show it on terminal. If it's on network, but yeah, okay. So yeah, it's not visible. But yeah, like basically, if you can scroll up, so you can see all the test cases passed, and no, on the like yeah here. So
Yeah, it passed 12 tests.
yep.
It
So
says here the contract deploying all 12 tests are passed. Let me read the full IDL.
yep. So I think that
So
like currently there's an issue with RPC, so that's why.
fuck, man. Like we picked the worst time to test this out.
Yeah.
Okay,
But yeah, like
start
I
with
think it built the app in 7 to 10 minutes. After that, it wasn't able to just like the transaction wasn't working, and on my Phantom wallet, like I can't transfer DevNet Soul, and Claude can't actually get DevNet Soul from Faucet as well. So
listen. We
yep,
we gotta we gotta we gotta run this back, man. We gotta run
yep,
this back.
I
We
think
have
so. Yeah.
400 we had 470 views on viewers on stream right now. Hey Samnex, thank you so much for tuning in, man. Thank you for support. Okay, so shall we? Okay, let's talk about what happened. Okay, so DevNet apparently is in most non-technical way, but I would say DevNet is down. So uh, I had actually both front ends and back ends only with Noah two times, completely two different applications. Unfortunately, neither of them worked because the DevNet is down, whatever RPC, whatever. Then Sayuj got cooked with Chat GPT codecs because he ran out of usage, and then Sparge did whatever happened. Apparently, apparently it built backend if I understood well, and then when he tested it, it didn't work because again the DevNet doesn't work. Right? I guess this is the most non-technical way to explain what happened here. But this is a perfect opportunity for us. Some people will say we did it for marketing purposes, and we did not. The DevNet actually does not work, which means
so
you
yeah.
all have to join in. You all have to join in on the next stream, right?
So the DevNet is working. The only issue is the RPC. So that's why, like on Noah, we use paid RPC. That's why I was able to deploy the Solana program and do everything else. But on Phantom, like I can't even transfer my soul. So maybe it's using a different RPC endpoint or like some public RPC endpoint, and that's why like even the transfer is failing and the interaction is failing. So I think that's the
Um,
issue. It happens a lot,
guys,
like if you've used MetaMask. So I think you guys would know that, like whenever you're interacting with a protocol, so it happens a lot. So I think it's the same issue with Phantom.
guys, whatever he said, that's the case. Yeah, that's what happened, guys. Don't worry about it. Okay,
But yeah,
we're
we can
going
do
to
it
run
next
this
week.
back. No, we're
let,
we're
let,
going to
let's
run
let,
this
I
back.
think we should definitely run this back next week, and we'll come prepared. I'll come prepared, especially with more credits. We'll have like everything installed as well. And
Yep.
then I think it could be a good show as well. I think 460 450 plus people have tuned in. It'll be good to like showcase next week. Yeah.
Yep. Okay. So vibe off. What is the best AI tool for building Solana programs? Today we was not 100% successful. Then we are going to do it next week again. So the part two is coming, guys. Make sure to turn that notifications on. Same time Thursday, 3 p.m. UTC. Same people, probably even same setups if I'm going to be around outside. But yeah, thank you so much, everyone, for joining in. We did not, just to clarify, we did not do this on for marketing purposes, just to lure you guys in to watch the second part. We did not.
That would be
At the
smart
end,
though.
that would be smart, actually. That would be smart. But this is just, guys. The higher ups are how to say that. Uh, the higher ups are, damn. You know what I'm trying to say?
No.
They're
Yeah.
not allowing, us to showcase you the full power of Noah. So they
Okay, okay, okay. Yes, yes,
yeah,
yes,
yeah.
yes.
They heard about the stream, guys. So that's the main case. Okay. I guess then again, thank you so much. We're almost at 500 views. Thank you so much, guys, for joining in. Thank you for your time, and we will see you next Thursday, 3 p.m. UTC. There will be 24-hour notification for you, so you will just be able to set reminder for a stream. And see you soon. Thank you so much.
All
See you
right. Thank you,
guys.
guys.
Cheers. Bye bye.
Bye
Bye.
bye.